Hi, welcome back to your channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another inspirational tale to inspire all of you. Before we go on to the inspirational story, for the people who are coming on to the first time to the channel, let me share a few facts about the channel with you. We started the YouTube channel in May 2020 and today we have got 420 subscribers on YouTube. Facebook group, which is a private by invite only group, we had started in 2015 and there we have 825 members, and on WhatsApp we have an additional 120 members. Both Facebook and YouTube are by invite only groups. Our mission is to change the thought process and strengthen the moral fiber of the present and coming generations, so that they live by the eternal human values such as integrity, diversity, respect, empathy. Living by these values is a sure shot way to success. Success can be achieved in life without living these values, but then that is a short-lived success and a slippery path to failure. Living by human principles and values is what we want the present and coming generations to do. Friends, please join our mission by subscribing to the YouTube channel, hitting the bell icon so that you get an update on every new video which we release for you, and sharing these inspirational videos with your friends and family so that they too join our mission. You never know which share of yours, which inspirational story you share will change the mindset and attitude of the person. It is our endeavor to share daily inspiration with you on Facebook and the WhatsApp group, so that people live by these eternal principles. Now coming to our story. The inspirational person I'm going to be speaking to you about today is Nick Vujicic. Nick Vujicic is an Australian-American Christian evangelist, motivational speaker, and author of 8 books. You may say, Mohar, what's so inspirational? The inspirational fact is that he was born without limbs, no arms, no legs. Striking? Amazing? Let's hear more. Nick Vujicic was born in Melbourne, Australia in 1982 on 4th December. He was born to Boris and Dushka Vujicic. They were Serbian immigrants. When Nick was born and the nurse brought Nick to his parents, they went into such a shock that they refused to hold him, and they both went outside the room, hospital room, and puked. It took quite some time for his own parents to understand that Nick was God's gift to them, and God had a plan for Nick. He had a different packaging. Unlike others, he had no arms and legs. But yes, he had the critical requirements of intelligence, motivation, guts, never say die attitude. Nick also had two siblings, but they were normal, not physically challenged. When Nick wanted to start his education, he could not join public schools because of various rules preventing him from joining due to his physical disabilities, despite he being a very intelligent person. Laws changed and he joined the public school. He enrolled, but he was very badly bullied by the other students. So much so that he contemplated suicide at the age of 8 and attempted drowning himself at the tender age of 10 years. His parents stood by him and helped him go through these troubled and tough times. However, thanks to the support of his parents, things started improving, and when his mother showed him the picture of a severely physically challenged person praying to God, Nick started speaking in prayer groups and started joining multiple fundraising events in his school. He graduated at the age of 21 from Griffith University with a Bachelor in Commerce with a double major in Accountancy and Financial Planning. In 2002, he moved to California. 2005, he started Life Without Limbs, an international not-for-profit organization and ministry. In 2007, he started Attitude is Altitude, a secular motivational speaking group. In 2008, in Texas, he decided to settle down there and moved on to California. In 2008, in Texas, he met his wife, Kenny, and they got married in 2012. They now have 4 children. In 2010, he starred in a film, The Butterfly Circus, and he also in the same year got the Best Actor award from the Method Fest International Independent Film Festival for his work and fantastic performance as well in the movie. Nick has written 8 books, the first being Life Without Limits. Nick persevered through life's challenges and discovered key principles which we refer to as human principles, which enabled him to find a purpose and change attitudes and obstacles into opportunities. Nick is a most sought after keynote and motivational speaker, addressing millions of people across the world, helping them find hope, purpose, strength to overcome challenges, obstacles. His speeches and coaching is a cornerstone for him to change lives. Nick, due to his childhood experiences, has also become an anti-bullying advocate and travels across the world educating children about the dangers of bullying. He does this with the support of multiple education institutes across the world. He is an husband to a beautiful wife, Kenny, and father of 4 lovely children now. Nick's passion to inspire and equip the world's citizens with attitudes and abilities to rise above adversity, whether they be physical, mental, or emotional. His speeches sessions are followed by millions of people. He's helping mankind find the way back to living life by the eternal human principles. He says he's a born again Christian. On his website, he gives a statement of faith where he says, I'm a born again Christian. Nick Vujicic, a man who born without arms and legs thanks to the tetraamelia syndrome, and who had two short feet but the toes, only two toes on one feet, which had to be separated through surgery so that he could use them as fingers. His parents were horrified upon seeing him, but gradually they changed their attitude and understood that he comes in a different packaging, but he's still a beautiful gift of life. Friends, a totally inspirational person, Nick Vujicic. Friends, I am a strong proponent and supporter of the concept of difference to one. Mankind is facing one of its biggest battles against the infamous COVID-19 virus. Lakhs have lost their livelihoods and many more millions have lost their lives. It is at times such as these that those of us who have remained relatively unaffected by this COVID-19 virus stand up, be counted, and make a difference to one person in our community. This act of support and kindness of difference to one person in your community will go a long way in mankind's battle against this infamous COVID-19 virus. Friends, I'm also confident that you love these inspirational stories which I share with you on a regular basis on your favorite YouTube channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Please do subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too subscribe to it and join our mission of ensuring that the present and coming generations live by the eternal human values and principles, which is the only way to success in life. Friends, till we meet again, stay safe, good luck, all the best.